Okay, so I just want to say this. You know, this was my first attempt, my first ever SFF build, and technically I failed at it because of the power cable issue. This is the only thing stopping me from putting the lid on the top and making this a go. At this very moment, I am on the edge of defeat, but I did not quit. And that's why I want to take this very important moment to give you motivation, because when you choose this life, this small form factor life, it comes with hurdles. It comes with, yeah, all that. I couldn't think of a word, but stay diligent, my friend. from putting the lid on the top. All right, so check this out, you guys. The case is closed, but let me show you guys. All it took was for me to kind of like press on it a little bit. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this isn't the most ideal, but we just got enough clearance for it to go through. Getting this just pushed a little bit over, getting this to kind of like lean, and kind of like, I just kind of like spreading them a little bit, was kind of like touching on them. Again, I'm not overly bending them because you don't want to bend this, but to my surprise, I went to put the lid on and it laid practically flat. I'm gonna have to get my two hands, hold on one second. Basically, I can literally place it as it should be and slide it on. It's no lift up here. As you guys can see, this is flat. I got y'all up close. I want y'all to see that. I seen another creator out there close it with a bend in the top. I'm not going that route. But now, let's just see if it works. My first small form factor SFF moment of truth. Oh, so you think you ready for this small form factor life, right? You think you about it. Oh, you built you a couple little normal size PCs? This is different. Oh yeah, this is different. The real ones know, and the real ones shall conquer what is small form factor PC building. It's one of the most satisfying things ever, and boy, will you earn it. But once it's earned, yeah, I can't think of anything clever. It's just, it's fire. It's dope. Okay. All right, peace.
Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby. It's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Work with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just